Its history began in 1947. Two brothers assembling a rugged off-road vehicle under license from Willys that would become a global workhorse for exploration, defense, and adventure. Over 70 years later, that vision has arrived. Roxor, an original off-road vehicle. Its DNA is unmistakable. A simple design that demands to be driven. Customized and fitted for the job at hand. A time-tested platform that's durable and powerful enough to take on any terrain. With military-grade construction that lives up to its legend. A vehicle with a history that will help you make your own. Prepare for any mission. Roxor.